Have you ever stopped and wondered, what if Jupiter is not what you think it is? What if the largest planet in our solar system isn't just a giant ball of gas, but something far more powerful, and far more dangerous? We grow up learning simple things. Jupiter is big. Jupiter is made of gas. Jupiter has many moons. End of story. But that story is incomplete. Because Jupiter is not silent. It is not peaceful. And it is definitely not just there. From Earth, Jupiter looks calm. A bright dot in the night sky. Almost beautiful. Almost harmless. But that calm is an illusion. Deep inside Jupiter, nothing rests. Nothing sleeps. Everything moves. Violently. Winds scream at speeds faster than any hurricane on Earth. Storms collide, tear each other apart, and are reborn again. Heat rises from its core like a never-ending fire. And this has been happening for billions of years. The most famous storm on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. You've seen it in photos. A red swirl, almost artistic. But don't let the color fool you. That storm is bigger than Earth. It could swallow our planet whole, and still have room to grow. And it has been raging for more than 300 years. No weakening, no stopping. But here's the part no one talks about. That storm is shrinking, and no one knows why. Something inside Jupiter is changing. Slowly, silently. Scientists see signs. Temperature shifts, unexpected movements, energy rising from places it shouldn't. Jupiter is not behaving like a normal planet. And this is where everything changes. Because Jupiter isn't just a planet we observe. Jupiter is a planet that controls. It controls gravity in our solar system. It controls the paths of asteroids. It controls chaos. Imagine a busy highway in space. Rocks, ice, debris left over from the birth of the solar system. Now imagine one massive force standing in the middle, pulling danger away from Earth. That force is Jupiter. Again and again, Jupiter captures asteroids that could have destroyed us. It pulls them into its gravity, crushes them, or throws them away. Earth survives, because Jupiter allows it. But protection has a dark side. Because Jupiter doesn't just remove danger. It redirects it. One small change, one tiny shift in Jupiter's gravity, and those same asteroids could be sent inward, straight toward Earth. What happens next is disturbing. We like to believe space is stable, predictable, safe. It's not. Jupiter's gravity is so strong it bends the fabric of space itself. Time moves differently near it. Light curves around it. If Jupiter moved just a little closer to the Sun, Earth's orbit could collapse. If it moved farther away, we could be exposed to endless cosmic bombardment. Our survival depends on Jupiter staying exactly where it is. And that's terrifying. Because Jupiter has not always been stable. In the early days of the solar system, Jupiter wandered. It moved inward, then outward, dragging chaos behind it. Some scientists believe Jupiter destroyed entire young planets during this time. Worlds that could have been like Earth. Gone forever. Swept away by gravity. But here's the part no one talks about. Jupiter almost became a star. Jupiter is mostly hydrogen. Just like the Sun. Just like stars. If it were only a little more massive. If it had gathered just a bit more material. Nuclear fusion could have ignited in its core. Our solar system would have had two suns. Think about that. No stable Earth. No familiar night sky. No life as we know it. Jupiter failed. By a small margin. And that failure may be the reason we exist. But failure doesn't mean weakness. Inside Jupiter, pressure is beyond imagination. Gravity squeezes matter so tightly that hydrogen behaves in strange ways. It turns metallic. It conducts electricity. This creates one of the strongest magnetic fields in the solar system. Stronger than Earth's. Stronger than anything near us. And this magnetic field is violent. It traps radiation. It accelerates particles to deadly speeds. If a human spacecraft entered the wrong region, it would be destroyed in minutes. Jupiter is wrapped in invisible danger. And yet, we keep sending probes closer. Why? Because Jupiter is hiding answers. NASA's Juno spacecraft revealed something unexpected. Jupiter doesn't have a solid core like we imagined. Its center is fuzzy, unclear, broken. It's as if Jupiter was struck by something massive long ago, represented but not certain. A collision so powerful it shattered its heart. What could hit a planet like Jupiter, and survive long enough to do that? No one knows, and this is where everything changes. Because Jupiter may not just be shaping the present, it may be guarding secrets from the past. Jupiter holds moons that look like worlds. Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. Some of them hide oceans beneath ice. Deep, dark, liquid. Europa alone may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And where there is water, there is possibility. Life may not have started on Earth first. It could have begun near Jupiter, protected by its gravity, heated by tidal forces, hidden from cosmic destruction. But life near Jupiter would not be gentle. Radiation storms, gravitational stress, endless darkness. If something lives there, it is strong, adapted, alien, and that thought changes everything we believe about life in the universe. But here's the part no one talks about. Jupiter is aging, its storms are changing, its energy output is shifting, its atmosphere is evolving. Planets don't live forever, and when Jupiter changes, everything around it will change too. Earth's history is written in impacts. Mass extinctions, sudden endings, new beginnings. Many of those events were shaped by Jupiter's influence. It giveth, and it taketh away, a silent ruler in the background of our story. We look at Jupiter as a distant object, but in truth, it has always been close. Watching, pulling, shaping. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is a balance, a gatekeeper, a reminder that our existence depends on forces we cannot control. And the universe doesn't care if we understand it or not. So the next time you hear the name Jupiter, don't picture a harmless gas giant. Picture a guardian that could become an executioner. A failed star that still holds godlike power. A reminder that Earth survives, not by strength, but by luck. And if a single planet can decide the fate of worlds, what else in the universe is quietly shaping our future, right now? If this story made you look at Jupiter differently, stay curious, stay questioning, and subscribe for more journeys that reveal how little we truly know about the universe.